Hello
Hello,
teacher, hello
hello
everyone. My name is Rontirat. I'm 17 years old. I study grade 10 at Pontan Watfai High School.
My name is Lisa. I'm 16 years old. I study grade 10 at Honsan Watspai High School.
Today we show you how to make pumpkin dessert. We have to take the pumpkin to press the seeds.
Then take the pumpkin to wash, clean water, and leave it somewhere. Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone.
Hello teacher.
Ingredients: coconut paste, sugar, duck egg or chicken egg, salt.
Of Pontan Watfai High School.
Put the coconut paste in a large bowl and add sugar, eggs, and a little salt.
Pour the peach water into the pumpkin.
Bring the pumpkin to a boil.
Then let the pumpkin cool and cut it into the plate.